this is important topic as well. Whenever we are discussing on the syllabus, always watch what we are saying. And always I'll tell you what mark it is supposed to be. So அப்படியே mark பண்ணிக்கோங்க. See, this is usually they will ask for 10 marks. Answer in brief. This topic usually comes in 10 marks. PNATல lastல it is there. Last pagesல maybe after the class I will check where it is and give you, but ana it is in PNAT. Lastல தான் it is there. Don't look at the notes directly. Now look at the class PNAT. You understand, then notes. Notes is just a cut copy paste nga. சரியா? இப்போ see, this is why I keep saying for every subject there is a lot of gap in understanding because we have been trained to look at notes directly. In the brief terms and concepts of evolutionary biology, if you go to the notes na, see, look at that and but ana theriyira madi irukum, but ana 2 days la it will be forgotten. But now we should know the understanding. First on the Gauss's law, and my PPT itself will be in a structured format da. You can have this. First on the what is that law? First Dollo's law. Dollo's law, Dole's law nu paathukonga. Dollo's thana நம்ம Dollo தானே, Dole's law. Okay, Dollo. அதான் நான் வந்து போடும்போது நான் எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு I was typing this during the time of corona. அப்ப Dollo வந்து ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டண்டா இருந்துச்சு. Dollo தூக்கி போட்டுட்டா I did this, I think. But ana, so I'll explain first term. I'll explain. சரியா? I think you have you 3 அதான் you படம் சொல்றதுக்கே பயமா இருக்கு. 3 Idiots, have you seen? 3 Idiotsல அந்த பேஸ்ட் சீன் பாத்துறீங்களா? பேஸ்ட், அதாவது not everything is anything is possible in life அப்படினோனே he'll squeeze out the paste. Now he'll say put this inside. My question is it possible in universe? இப்போ he said that it is impossible la. I'm asking you, is it possible or not? எப்படி கரெக்டா சொல்றீங்க? ஓ, நான் கேக்குற தொனில வச்சு கேக்குறீங்களா? Is it possible? Or if I say if I break something, will it come back again? Tenet படம் பாத்துறீங்களா? எனக்கு புரியல, பட் ஆனா Tenet படம் பாத்துறீங்களா? See, if you see, it's based on a concept called as entropy. சரியா? What is the meaning of entropy na? Scientific meaning we need not know, but you understand any system, any system, our body is a system now, will have when we are born it will have an entropy. What or why we die abdina, actually entropy increases. Entropy increases, and hence any species, any species or anything you think about any system, either we can fit it in cultural system also. So there will be a particular ideology, but if you see it will have its demise. Human being born, but at one point will be gone. But the thing is that our job is to always reduce the entropy. And the meaning enna, that is why you do exercises. Correcta? இது வந்து யூனிவர்ஸ் ஒரு கான்செப்ட். யூனிவர்ஸ்ல a concept is there. If this is there, entropy is less. If I break it na, that means entropy is more. Universe will also have this entropy. If a universe oda entropy is increasing, so one point la it will collapse. சரியா? Anything which has a start will have a small entropy. When it goes, it will have a high entropy. The concept, if you see in the, if I break and I asked you if it is possible to get back, it is possible in the universe if you are able to reverse this. Idan Tenet movie. Syllabus la irukku, but Tenet movie, if you see, they will reverse the entropy. Your entropy is increasing every day, but we are trying something, exercise pandrom, food control, medicine. You are doing something and entropy is less, anala your longevity is increasing, right? This is what is the concept of entropy. But how is this connected to evolution? Dollo's law is asking. Ipo same question. Your time but okay, same question. I said a trait is there. Let us assume that the trait is there. This trait gets selected. So yeah, selected, and it is keeping on selecting because of environment, and this becomes a particular species. So that species is human. Chimpanzees, or common ancestor was there, chimpanzee diverged, humans diverged. I am saying this was the trait which was selected and we became a human. Now can I go back to this? Question purida. I got selected, if the selected, human species has come. From here, I have to now go to the common ancestor. Is it possible? No. See, paste possible, paste possible, breaking possible. If it reverses possible, is this possible? Are there evidences of any species? Are there any species which would go back to their own positions? Purinjada? Purida? Puriliya? Purinjada? See, Dollo's la na ennan solren, but just asking you. Correct? It is actually possible. See, there are two words: possible, probable. Probable is mathematics. Correct? Possible, universe la everything is possible. No? Your system should be with entropy. Unless it is, if entropy it is smashed and chaosed, died out. But if the system is still working, you can actually reduce the entropy and you can bring back. You get this idea? Evolution can also be done. But Dollo enna solluvarna? So, but what is Dollo's law? Dollo's law says evolution is irreversible. This was earlier in the entropy law. Now only they found evolution is irreversible, he says. I will give you one example. But Anna, see, you are saying it is reversible. So you should give me an example. What example do you think or evolution has gone back? Edad or species, edad or animal? Evolution has gone in this direction. Has it pulled back? Whales. Okay, whale correct? Where is it? But whale, how you say that whale? Fish. Okay. Correct. See, this is an example. So yesterday I spoke about, yesterday I said the continents were connected, right? Then they became this way. The continent or this prior. So we shifted in this direction. How the whales are formed, abdina? See, in this part, there would have been pig-like, mammal. See, in a sense, before that, I will explain one more concept in a sense. 66 million years, I said, 66 million years yesterday. So after this primate evolution happened, And the primate evolution happened in whichever direction possible. In the sense, இப்போ பாத்தீங்கன்னா dinosaur is out. Every environment is available to you. Environment, they will say niche. Environment niche na, everything is available to you. Now you can be an author, you can be a dancer, you can be a singer. You get this idea? Or country la, every environmental niche should be available for the development of the human. You will have only one type niche. Dana ipo adana point ella IAS dana veno. See, that is what is called as environmental niche. But now come to this point, what happens is that when dinosaurs die, environment gives you lot of niche. So what happens? First, you will have what is called as herbivores. In the point la, you will have lots of plants la, lots of plants. After this, lots of plants started developing. So something to eat this, herbivores. This is what I said by carnival of mammals. Fish, amphibians, reptiles, reptile, dinosaur. Mammals na humans. Seriya? If you look at it, all the things, goat, lion, வேற என்ன இருக்கு? வேற ஏதாவது சொல்லுங்களா? இது எக்ஸாம்பிள் இதுங்க, chimpanzee, எல்லாமே mammal தான். You get this? Mammal, and the example which I said, dinosaurs, reptiles on the, they had this concept of either you can have ஒரு சைடுல எழுதிக்கோங்க, why it came from reptiles went into mammals na, reptiles give birth to in egg. Egg can be predated easily. Snake can take. Second point, reptiles are cold-blooded. Reptiles cold-blooded na, they cannot adapt to the temperature outside. Ipo outside temperature is cold, they will become very cold. Outside temperature is hot, they will become very hot. Humans are not that, or mammals are not that. Ipo you can maintain your internal temperature wherever you go. You can go to Arctic, you can go to Africa, wherever you go, your internal temperature will be maintained. It is called as warm-blooded. Reptiles are cold-blooded. So evolution looks at this, and when the evolution needs different adaptations to different environment, it will choose mammals now. You know, environments are huge. So here if you see, herbivores is so many herbivores. For example, we had Nilgiri Tahar. Nilgiri Tahar has an old common ancestor. Seriya? Or common ancestor when the Himalayas was developing. Seriya? Common ancestor was there. Two variations. One went into this direction. One went into this direction. You will check this. Himalayas la or goat irukku. Himalayas goat nu solluvaanga. Nilgiri Tahar is or madi cousin da. You get this idea? Two people are there. One common ancestor is there. Two people are there. One is this, one is this. This trait will selected for Himalayas. Nilgiri Tahar is on the Western Ghats. You look at both of them, they'll be looking like goat, not different. Ida the selection. An environment selects the trait it needs. But now come to this point. So here it comes la. So now you have to eat this. Not everything. Ipo mammals are there. Mammals la mutta podra mammal irukku. See, mammals are, see, I am just generally talking. Okay? Mammals la, there are some mammals which are egg producing. Ana we should be happy about that. Yeah, abdina, then only we understand Darwin was more right. Because evolution happens in small steps. Egg la direct we will not jump. There are in between species which are mammals. Irukku. See, adha solla reptile liyu irukku. But predominantly they will be egg laying. Mammals will be predominantly child laying. But mammals la, there are egg laying mammals. Okay, wow? There are different mammals as well. Mars superials or something. This time prelims question they asked, Derima. ஒரு question they asked, in the mammals they are also they developed in Australia. நம்ம ஒரு 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 டாபிக் ஜெனடிக்ஸ்ல வரும்போது ஐ வில் டாக் அபவுட் இந்த டிஃப்ரெண்ட் பிளேசஸ்ல டிஃப்ரெண்ட் எவல்யூஷன். பட் இஃப் யூ லுக் அட் இட், அதுல தே வுட் ஹவ் ஆஸ்க்ட் மார்சுபிரியல்ஸ் ஆர் அடாப்டட் டு ஒன் பர்டிகுலர் என்விரான்மெண்ட். அதான கொஸ்டின். ப்ரிலிம்ஸ் கொஸ்டின் பாருங்க, ராங் அது. we will understand kangaroo மட்டும் தான் தெரியும். there are every possible mammal or marsupials present for every niche. carnivore இருக்கு. இதான் இந்த பாயிண்ட். என்னன்னா when you understand logic, அந்த question is wrong. ஒரு ஸ்பீஷீஸ் marsupial is part of mammals, it is present here, it should occupy every niche. இப்போ பாயிண்ட் எதாங்க, you come to civil services, not everybody is going for a particular option la. Anthropology option, geography option, public administration. See, you are choosing the option. எதுக்கு சூஸ் பண்றோம்? ஒரு பாயிண்ட் என்னன்னா, ஒரே கூட்டமா இருக்கு ஆந்த்ரோபாலஜி, சாரி ஜியோகிராஃபி, we'll choose something. அதான் niche. we will select which niche is appropriate to us. first selecting option appropriate to us, நம்மளுக்கு அந்த ட்ரெய்ட் இருக்கணும். செகண்ட், where is okay. so plant eaters are there, but all becomes plant eater na prachana. so what will happen is that we will have carnivores. okay va? next, all carnivores na problem, tree summa da irukku, so I will become primate. this is the selection yesterday I showed you, but this is separately we'll see. but if you இல்ல reptiles are still there. snakes இருக்கு. நான் எப்படி சொல்றேன்னா, நேச்சர் நெக்ஸ்ட் லெவல்ல ஒரு அனிமலை கிரியேட் பண்ணுது. see, fish is there. yesterday I showed you on the thick thalik, fish should be there la. why amphibians came? more adapted to land. ஆனா fish is still there la. you get this? அந்த நேச்சர் வந்து ஒரு பாயிண்ட்ல will start. அதான் சொல்றேன், not everybody is in geography option or a pubad option. இது niche is there. அப்படியே நேச்சர் தள்ளி விட்டுரும். நீ அங்க போ, நீ இங்க போ, ஒரே இடத்துல குமிய விடாது. you get this idea? now இந்த கான்செப்ட் பிரைமேட் என்னன்னா, இதுல தான் இந்த சென்ஸ் வந்து whales will also come. இது லாஸ்ட் டாபிக்ல ஐ வில் கம் பேக் அகைன். இது வந்து பாத்துக்கோங்க, இது இருக்கு. so 66 million years, different environmental niches, plants, herbivores, carnivores, primates, whales. so whales point என்னன்னா, இங்க வந்து ஒரு pig like animal, சரியா? when it moves like this, சரியா, when it moves like this, what happens is that இப்படி இந்த ஜம்ப் பண்ணி விளையாடுது. கரெக்டா? when you are close, you have something called as karai camel. பாத்திருக்கீங்களா? question in UPSC 2016 prelims நினைக்கிறேன். karai camel actually can swim in the இது. camels are in desert தானே, but how can it swim? that means that when you are closer to a particular environment, you actually will try to adapt to that environment. இப்போ swimmers, best swimmers are fishermen now. see, how much ever we are able to swim, they will be swimming better because they are closer to that. correct? similarly, this person starts adapting to the, I will show you the picture on the evolution, start adapting, and this becomes what is called as the whale today. on the picture I will show you basilos, ஒரு அது name I will show you, basilosaurus நினைக்கிறேன். Pakistan citus, because here only first develops. here only we are finding fossils. Basilosaurus ne huge fossil we have found about whales. they have started to form. Darwin la I spoke about interspecies ஒரு competition. I said la ஒரு example நான் சொல்றேன். I asked shark or இது whales. நீங்க என்ன சொன்னீங்க? ஷார்க் எத்தனை பேர் சொன்னீங்க? whale. see, இப்போ என்ன ஆகும்னா, I come here. see, இங்க இப்போ என்ன ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா, whales now formed, correct? Whales are here, shark are here. Both will fight la, correct இல்லையா? இப்ப யார் ஜெயிச்சா? Interspecies competition. Intra is within, inter is between species. Many examples are there. I am giving you ஒரு சும்மா, ஏன்னா இது சூப்பரா இருக்கும். Whales, ஆனா இது வந்து it was a point. Basilosaurus இந்த பாயிண்ட்ல it becomes a place for competition. Now what happens நினைக்கிறீங்க? இப்ப யார் அடிச்சுக்கிட்டு செத்துறா? ரெண்டு பேரும் மியூச்சுவலா ஒரு ட்ரீட்டி ஒன்று போட்டுக்கலாம், ஒரு கன்வென்ஷன் ஆஃப் பீஸ் ட்ரீட்டி போட்டுக்கலாமா? See, that is what humans do. Here what happened is that I told you, right? Mammals are warm blooded. When you run away to this place, cold area, this cannot follow. Correct? நீங்க இங்க போயிட்டீங்கன்னா, ஏன்னா this is not warm blooded, this is warm blooded, adaptation இருக்கு. So you run away to this place, this will not follow. இதான் நடந்துச்சு. இது யார் ஜெயிச்சாலும் தெரியல. See, but ஆனா this is how nature works. சரியா? nature how it works னா, ஒரு இந்த எக்ஸாம்பிள் I will bring in one. நான் எதுக்கு சொன்னேன்னா, interspecies competition, either annihilation of that species will happen or you will have this. கரெக்டா? மியூச்சுவல், இதுதான், இது வந்து மியூச்சுவலிசம். You get this idea? இதுக்கும் I will come, but ஆனா Dollo's law, can you copy it first? Dollo's law க்கு whales தானே. இந்த பாயிண்ட் என்னன்னா, the example which I gave was Dollo's law says evolution is irreversible, but I said it can be reversed. The example is that fish, amphibian, reptiles, mammals, then comes whale. It is an adaptation to water again. But ana, is it complete reversal? நீங்க அது சொல்லணும். இப்போ கம்ப்ளீட்டா இது ஃபிஷ்ஷா? இல்ல. Fish, you know how it goes? Fish goes like this. இப்படி பாத்துறீங்களா? Fish will move like this. The backbone இருக்குல்ல, backbone will move for fish like this. Mammals, we are galloping சொல்லுவாங்க. See, we move like this. Whales, if you see, whales will move like this. The vertebrae gallop ஆகும். Humans will gallop like this. இப்போ நம்ம walk பண்றோம். See, our vertebrae is moving like this. Push தான். We are not moving like this. Right? Fish will move like this. Shark பாருங்க, move like this. Whales will move like this. So complete reversal has not happened. Correct? And the whale oda kidney la is adapted for higher throughput for oxygen. That is why it will go very deep. Oxygen illamalum it can live because its kidney is adapted. அப்படிதான் தப்பிச்சது. Because in the shark otta தப்பிக்கணும். So one he came here, sorry, this person comes here, next deep ah போய்டும். Shark attack பண்ண முடியாது. இதுதான் கான்செப்ட். ஓகேவா? Now you write Dollo. And one more example. இது வந்து standard example. When we talk about the name I forgot. Okay? Australopithecus இன்னொன்னு இருக்கு. Naledi. One more, Sediba. Okay. This example we will quote. சரியா? Sediba இந்த இதுல இருக்கு. Ember and Emberல இருக்கு. Humans la, see, humans, we have, when we talk about on the Australopithecus, you remind me that I will give that example, you add it here. சரியா? Because when after I explain on the Homo erectus and things like that, you will understand this. Humans la, we have on the Australopithecus example வரும், Homo erectus and then humans வச்சுவோம். The meaning is that, see, our legs started transforming. சரியா? From example என்னன்னா, this point இருக்குல்ல, it will be for catching the tree. சரியா? கரெக்டா? இப்போ you look at our legs, it cannot catch anything. The tree எல்லாம் catch பண்ண முடியாது. When I show on the pictureல இன்னும் clear-ஆ இருக்கும். So evolution has given us this leg and இப்படி தான வந்திருக்கு, forward வந்துருச்சு. Will it go back? கேக்குற புரியுதா? இந்த எக்ஸாம்பிள்ல when we talk, remind me, because அந்த எக்ஸாம்பிள்ல we have to add it here. சோர்ஸ்ல இல்ல, நம்ம தான் ஆட் பண்ணோம். Is there any species, you got this idea, species வந்து இப்படி வந்துட்டே இருக்கு, your legs are being transformed for walking, reversal ஆச்சா? reappear ஆகும். reverse evolution சொல்லலாம், பட் ஆனா vestigial organs வந்து reappear. For example, this tail இருக்கு, you can have, அதை வந்து நம்ம ஆமா பாயிண்டா வச்சுக்கலாம். இப்போ நான் அந்த பாயிண்ட்ல ஆட் பண்ணணும், இதை ப்ளீஸ் இதை ரிமைண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. vestigial organs are there. tail, yesterday I spoke about, tail இல்ல, but let us assume that you want to have a tail now. Tail will come, correct? Here it has actually happened. Sediba, okay va, whom அந்த species வந்து in our syllabus it is not there. Recently they have found a species, this, it's in ember and ember. நம்ம அந்த பேசும்போது எனக்கு ஞாபகப்படுத்துங்க. The legs started forming for adaptation to walking, but reversal has happened in the Sediba. How it is now, it is again adapted for tree. Tree la irundhu we got adapted, primates adapted, started walking, then we came. Next class la and the walking la what and all changes I will talk about it. But ana reversal we are seeing, this animal is in 2 million years, adhaadu later da it is coming. We are finding fossils of the Sediba which is having an adaptation for, you know, plucking a tree, sorry, catching a tree. appo reversal dana. So appo evolution, can it be reversal? Hello friends, we in Minds of Aspirant are very happy to announce that this time we will be starting a batch, link and batch, a core link and batch spanning for prelims, mains. You want to have answer writing, mentoring, guidance, what to study for preliminary examination, what are the tests. Everything is part of this exam. This is a complete prelims cum mains batch. All the features that you would want in civil services will be part of this program. We in Minds of Aspirant used to you have programs like Acumen, Xingshang. Acumen was a main centric program, Xingshang was a prelim centric program. This time we thought we will start, or then we have Gene, which is an anthropology batch. But now this time we are going to start this Lincoln batch, which is going to be a comprehensive batch covering all the features of the UPSC civil services examination in very a friendly manner, the way that you would want us to teach you. We will be there guiding you, mentoring you, being there with you in all your approach to this exam. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Minds of Aspirant. You can send this video to anyone who is preparing for civil services and to your family members who want to know about civil services also. There is a Telegram channel, Minds of Aspirant official as well. You can click that link and join the group, and you can ask for whatever doubts that you have. And also you can click the bell icon so that you will get regular updates from Minds of Aspirant. Thank you. All the best.